morning, everybody. Well, or afternoon, depending on when you are watching. Pretty excited. It is 20 degrees above zero today, and it's supposed to be getting even warmer yet. So hopefully we can get Raina out and take her out sledding or do something fun outside today. Jim's working in the shop. I just figured I would bring you down there and see what he's got going on there. I do want to do a little bit of a teaser here. So we have a project coming up that's been on the list. We've wanted to do it for a little over a year now, and so I'm just going to do a little bit of a teaser for that, and I'll show it to you right here. So this is the next project that we're going to start working on here shortly. I'll let you know what it is. It is a remote controlled lawnmower. It is a Tiger. If you want to leave a guess in the comments on what you think that we are going to turn this into, go ahead and comment. I know some of you probably already know what's going to happen to it, but yeah.
So today we're gonna finish working on the loader. We're gonna replace this bushing, or this piece through the main boom. As you can see, these are not gonna be able to do much about. The only thing you can do is bore that out. So we're not gonna go to that extreme. So I'll torch those out. I got a new piece to weld in there. I got the pressure wash set up. I'm going to wash all the grease off. So then we're going to do these pin bosses on here. These are also very sloppy. And then on this one you can see it's actually starting to crack around that one. So kind of want to fix it before it gets too bad. And we're going to wash this tractor, and I've wanted to wax it for a while, so got to make it look like millennial farmers' tractors. We'll get her washed up. Maybe I'll push that dent out of the hood that I did.
What dent?
You can't even find it.
How's it going, dear?
It's going good. Just got these torched out. Just fitting the new one in.
There's the old ones torched out. What are we going to feed? The calves. Yeah. Is this fun? You're going to be too big to fit right in here with me soon, you know that? Push this one. I'll help you. Ready? Let's go. Fall asleep. Need a nap. You close your eyes.